सो वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। और आज है ड्राइविंग सेशन का 4th लेसन। मेरे को दे रहा है 1.5 और 1.3 आवर्स के लेसन, वो भी 52 पाउंड्स में। तो कैलकुलेट कर लेना उसके अकॉर्डिंग कितना पड़ता है। वैसे यहाँ पे एवरेज जो आपको पड़ता है 30, 35, 40 पाउंड। भाई बहुत महंगे हो गए ड्राइविंग सेशन यहाँ पे। अगर आप अपनी होम कंट्री से सीख के आ सकते हो तो विच वुड बी रियली नाइस, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है भाई ड्राइविंग लेसन। तो आज का लेसन स्टार्ट करते हैं और आप भी थोड़ा बहुत कुछ सीख लेना जो सीख पाओगे। तो नहीं तो आपको भी खुद से ड्राइविंग लेसन तो लेने ही पड़ेंगे किसी भी हाल में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग स्टाइल थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। वैसे ड्राइविंग राइट साइड में ही है जैसे इंडिया में होती है।
In case when you're on this lane, if no one give it to you, we still go more room to build it. We can joining in. If you keep left, we to come to stop. Then it's not easy to build in the speed. That's the benefit. You keep the right early.
You can join early.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Okay. Then when you exit, same thing. You can see 300 marking. After that, mirror signals. Okay. If you turn in left after that, after slip road, if you turn in left at the roundabout, you stick to the left. Imagine two lane, okay? Yeah. If you're going to turn right at the roundabout, we exit on the right. Then imagine the two lane. Either you keep to left or keep right. But when you exit, we got to check both mirrors, left and right. But mainly your right mirror more important because you're going to overtake on the slip road. Okay. Then you're planning for roundabout where you go in, then you slow down here on slip road. Yeah. Any question on this?
First, I'll reverse the car, I believe.
That's it. Very good. Yes. Okay.
So start the car?
Yeah, start.
Should I do the same thing for the reverse as well? Like
Yeah.
keep the
Yeah. And prepare means get the biting point. Very tight with the clutch. Yeah. Do 360 observations.
Yeah.
Keep moving as well. You keep look behind as well, please. Look behind as well, please. Your shoulder. Your left shoulder, like that. Good. Then release the handbrake. You keep straight reverse. Don't break it. You keep reverse time. Then look behind as well, huh?
Yeah.
And check the right shoulder so you're swinging out. Okay, then which gear stop? First gear. Okay. Then shoulder check the surface. Good. Which signal we gonna get? Right signal first. Good.
Is it here?
Start the engine, please. Okay. Shoulder check the surface.
In this point, you suggest to check left and this.
You already come out. You got to check your right shoulder and right mirrors. Very good. And end of the road here. Turn left hand. Turn in left, please. At the roundabout, turning right, third exit, please. And your gear as well, please. Okay, which mirror? Mirror, left mirror, slide into the left side.
After this, right?
Okay, I said turn right, you know the U-turn. Okay, third exit I asked you to do, huh?
Shit.
No. Clutch down to the floor, then gear please. Don't damage the gears otherwise. At the traffic light, turn left. Keep on the gear, no neutral. Which gear now? Can you follow the curve? Don't go like 90-degree angle. You need to follow the curve, please. Turn left here. Turn left. Signal left. No clutch down, huh? Follow the curve. Okay, turn left again, please. End of the road. Your car, please. Can you go forward into the bay? Just park the car into the bay. Stop. Have you done your observations? Have you done your 360 observations?
Start turning left.
Abidu, I will stop the point. Have a look. You maybe see, okay, corner of the curb start about here. The corner will come about this point.
Okay.
Okay, that's the point. We're going to start to turn.
Okay.
Normally you see the driving position here,
Right.
which is mirror signal very slowing down. In the point come out roughly. I'm talking about like
Roughly,
right.
yeah.
So for your sitting, but someone that point, you follow that point. Then you check in the mirror. Okay. So we're reversing back. You're back going this side. The front facing that side, please. Engine is on now. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn left here.
Turn left, right.
Why? Second time stalling.
Why this is...
So you need to hold the clutch 2 seconds when the car will move. You're like releasing straight away.
Okay, not able to hold proper.
Yeah, no, you need to freeze your left foot on the clutch. Go to first gear. Okay, look around quickly, yeah? Okay, then bring the clutch. When the car will move, hold the clutch for 2 seconds, 2 seconds hold it. Then slowly release it.
Okay.
So turn left. I want to show you this point, Okay. Keep going a bit more. This time you can't see. This is the point.
Okay.
You just start to turn. But this curb is very sharp.
Right.
Yeah?
So, but usually if I'm stopping, like somewhere here.
Somewhere there. Normally you will see somewhere here now, the curb.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So we start to do half turn like this. Then turn more. Look in the mirror. Look. This is the way you're coming up.
Right. In that small
Small
one
way
you can see.
yeah?
Right. Okay.
Okay. Do the same thing. Turn left again. Turn left again. Right?
So,
Yeah. Start to turn now. Not fully.
this is too much.
That is too much. Yes. Okay. Can you do the next left turn? Let me see the next left turn. Turn left here. Signal left side, please. No, too early this time. Okay, now start to left. Half. That's it, good. Okay, let me see the next one, please. Yeah, start to turn like this. So you come to this side rather than going to the other side.
Right.
This is a sharp turn, but normally turn a bit more gentle. Okay, we turn in right and turn in left.
Turning right and right.
Then turn left again. You need to follow the curb again. This car position wrong. You get it? You need to follow the curb.
Oh.
Follow the curve, turn it more like this. Perfect, like that. Okay, turn in left. Stick to, okay, safe to go?
Yeah.
Signal cancel. Can't go close line. Exit. So we said 2, 3 marking coming up.
Yeah.
So that's the exit coming up. Okay, check the mirrors now. The left signals. Keep to the left side. Don't go up into the middle lane, please. Okay. Look, rope line coming up there. Don't brake now. Check the left mirror one more time. Just slide into the left. So keep to the left side of the slip road. Check the right mirror overtake your vehicle, but keep to the left. Signal cancel now. Then you reduce the speed now here. Reduce the speed, not speed up. We slow down. Use the brake to slow down. Down to the roundabout coming up. Spread your brake. I don't want to brake hard in the end. Okay, we're going to go follow the road ahead again one more time. Second exit of the roundabout. please don't slow down. Keep to the left. Good. It's a slip road again. Show me how do you want to build up the speed. Harder. Keep to the left. Keep to the left first. Which side we need to move? Which signal? Harder. Even more harder. Matching their speed. Any gear. Good. Don't go over the line yet. Keep building it. Keep building it. Checking the mirrors. Safe. Quick side glance. Safe to join? Yeah. Signal catcher now. Let's keep to the left. Yeah. After joining, you're nearly going close to the lines. Keep to the left, please. But someone cutting in, then one time you was going there, like you were in the middle. You make sure you stick to the right because people can overtake on here as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Now after joining in, why your car is going like close to that like this? Okay, if you like this, imagine you are coming like 70, yeah, on that. Imagine you are the paper car, eh? If the car coming like this, how do you going to feel?
Scared.
So what
Accident.
You need to come to the left like this.
Yeah.
Okay, don't go close to the line. It's like someone overtaking like a 60-70 miles. You're going very close to the lines.
Yeah, makes sense.
So that's why pulling it toward the left. So make sure you keep that
In dual carriageway.
Normal, it's like a middle of your lane.
Right. Okay. Middle.
But what you are aiming, you are going like this.
Right. Okay.
That is your position for single carriageways. We have hatch marking, so we need to go to first gear. You will clutch down. If you don't put clutch down, you can come with the second gear this junction. Do you get it?
Yeah. So no need to like keep holding the
Clutch down to the twin gear. Okay, end of the road, turning left. Switch mirror, switch signal. Slow down as you give you a line. Now clutch down. Then look. Okay. Can you see here anyone coming up?
No.
So how are you going to do it now? They have priority, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you need to do?
Like go further.
But you're going to block the road if you go further.
Then how will I?
Okay.
see?
What we do? Take it for the clutch, please. I'll show you. Take it for the clutch. Okay, what you need to do? Your position was wrong here. Okay. Take it for the clutch. I'll show you.
Yeah.
So you here. You can see here. You need to turn the wheel now, like this. Okay. Then I'm edge forward. Look. Anyone coming up? But still they can pass through. Okay. If it's safe
Then
now.
Join.
Then you join like this. This is why I said you need to curve the car. If you go straight, you got the pedal now. You got the steering.
Right.
Like this.
If I go straight,
Then you're
I'll
going to block the road. Yes.
Right. Okay.
You need to curve it slightly. Yeah. Okay. End of the road, turning left. I want to see. Okay. But okay, here we come to the left. Okay.
Yeah.
There is a one park car here. And there is a park car here as well. Your view was completely blocked.
Yeah.
Okay. You was very good. Edge forward. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What you need to do, you need to lean forward to check first. Or you are still sitting like this.
Like lean forward to check
In
the left side.
Yeah, here, look. If you don't lean forward,
Yeah.
okay, you can't see this car earlier. Okay. First you lean forward. Okay. If you can't see it, then edge forward. What you do? You are still sitting like this. Okay. You got to turn. At this point. Okay. Can you do one full circle on the turning? Like this. Keep it like this. Yeah. Okay. Don't turn it. Don't turn again. Look. You're gonna be like this. Then stir them back. Then you go. Okay, now you go around. Yeah, if you turn early, you're going to go into the other side of the road.
The left side.
That's the point. You do 90-degree angle turn. Did you notice how we done it?
Yeah.
Road edge.
Yeah.
So where is the cutting on your dashboard? Just point me out.
Almost here.
Almost here, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we do, okay, I'll move it now. You keep it there, eh?
Okay.
Okay, I'll get the biting point, okay?
Yeah.
I'll bring you to the normal parking position, eh? So where is the curb now? No, look at the curb, don't look at the mirror.
Now it's more here.
Okay. This is the point you need to bring it down to. So it's slightly bend as well, there's no straight road.
Okay.
If it's straight road, normally you look in somewhere here.
Somewhere. Okay.
It's a bend. So this is the point you need to look, not mirror. Mirror you can only see back wheel. The front wheel you can't see on that back wheel. So front wheel down always earlier Front wheel got this much distance. Back wheel is about this much distance.
Okay, so
Look at this
somewhere
difference.
here I need to see.
Yeah, it's a bend anyway. Bend is
Right.
about there, but when it's
I mean,
straight
in
line.
this even straight.
Yeah.
I
Now,
need to
if
see
you look
the
here, I've got like a 6-inch tire with distance. This is
Right.
look.
Okay.
We don't want to go too close. We
Okay,
need to hit the
I'll
curb.
keep that between you.
You get it now.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is look out. Okay. How do you feel? You done like as straight ahead. So which time we're going to choose for follow the road ahead?
The
Right
right
lane. Okay.
one. Yeah.
If you use the right lane, okay, make sure you come close to the roundabout. Okay.
Then go straight.
Then left mirror. Then you exit.
Right.
Because if you come a bit more wider, okay, in case there's a car there, they can't turn left.
Okay.
So, but make sure you check the mirror. One day, then you exit like this. So keep it close to the roundabout. Okay. Okay, this is not a roundabout, eh? Okay, your roundabout is here. It's a mini roundabout.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, if you turn in right, you need to do this, not go around that island in the middle. Okay. So
Yeah.
if I saw that layout, okay, you was coming from there. Okay, when I was turned right, that's not a roundabout. Roundabout is here.
Okay.
So you do this. You check your right, immediate right, no one there. Then you go around that. When you're turning from the side road, okay, don't slow down to like 5 on the main road.
Right.
Okay. Look. You're on the main road, you turn in left on the side into the neutral place. So what you do, you slow down to 10 to 12, you turn with 10 to 12. What happens? You come in there, you suddenly slow down to 5 here. Look, your back's sticking out. So what is this car going to do then? If you nearly stop it there.
They're gonna stop.
Yeah, so make sure you come in 10 to 12, then slow down here if you want.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, what did you learn today?
Turning right in the, what you call that, build up area, turning right and left and hill as well. Yeah, and that A5 slip road. Yeah.
Roundabout.
Yeah.
Because if you move the car slightly, car begin think, they quick look, then you look at the right. As long as you move, they think you're gone. Then they try to speed up, they're going to hit you on the back. So remember, you need to get the coordination right, your clutch and the gas.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving of control you need to work on. Okay?
Yeah.
Second one, junction observation, like hesitation for the junction earlier. Okay? When you were turning left into that one of the junctions, okay, that junction, okay, this one's, imagine this junction is further away here, right?
Yeah.
You're turning left, but this junction is here, okay? There's a red car also come and do the turn in right. Imagine this is junction,
Yeah.
It's about here. You slightly bit hesitation, you know. But you don't, you're uploaded, you go, then now you're uploaded, but they are turning right.
Yeah.
Okay, if it here, then eye contact. Remember I talk about